What's up, y'all? This your girl Ruthie, and this is Unique Nails by Ruthie. I am doing an unboxing, so I'm gonna try to be quick. So this is a damping dish, showing y'all how deep it is. I found this on Shein because this is a Shein nail box unboxing. I can't talk. Hey, this is my microphone, so y'all let me know if it sounds good or not because this is the microphone that I got in my other nail haul. These are some triple X full cover nail tips that I got off of Shein. A lot of the stuff is cheaper. Some stuff is more expensive on there once I went back to go look and see. So I just grabbed any size. I think that's a 0 and I put it on my thumb to size it. Just showing you the length. It's durable. I try to bend that bad boy too. I actually like it. I got it for what I'm going to show you at the end of the video because it's kind of a surprise. Maybe not for y'all, but for me, I was really excited to get this because I wanted one. It's going to help me with practicing my nails. That's it right there. That thing right there. I'm going to wait to the end to show you that. So next we have coming up are some nail drill bits. I did get, it's like a double combo. So one is ceramic and then the other ones are carbine bits. So these are the ceramic bits. They come in different sizes. I only really got it for, I don't know if I'm gonna show it again. I didn't show it. And then these are the what the heck is it called? I just said it. Carbine. And those are in the this is always what those are the little stoppers to put on it. Cause I need like a little gap while I'm holding my nail drill. Cause I feel like my nail is too close. I started spacing it, but I just want to be able to have something in between the two while I'm spacing it or doing my nail drill. Those are magnets, so I got some magnets to put on my nail nail clipper. It goes to about like an extra long, because that's the only thing I'm gonna offer up to is the extra long. I'm not gonna offer more than that, just until I build like my skill up. So that's me showing you that it's the extra long. To me, it might not be extra long to other people. It could be triple X, but to me, that is extra long. These are my nail clippers. I like the color, they're purple. So that's why I got those. And I needed some because the ones I have been getting are like random kits. Them mugs was flimsy. They broke. Half the screws then came out of them. I was like, yeah, this is not about to happen. I can't do this. So they're very durable. I squeezed them a few times because that little thing, the little, what the heck is it called? The blade popped out. Alright, what do we have next? I don't even remember. I just shot this video and I'm doing the voiceover for it. So this is another, this is not full coverage. This is just regular extra long square tips. Well, these are 3X long square tips here if I see. I had to move that out the way because I'm really excited. So again, I just grabbed a random nail and I'm gonna show you the length. So them boys is long. That's too long. That's triple X. That's too long for me. I can only go to about extra long, comfortable, livable with extra long, durable, not flimsy, sturdy. I do approve of these tips. And I think this was like $4 on Shein. When I go back and put my prices in there, you will see it. Because I'm doing a voiceover, then I'm going to put the pictures in there so you'll be able to have the pictures. What am I about to put on this? Oh, my duckies. So these are duck tip nails. I love duck tip nails, and not everybody likes those. But me personally, I am a fan of duct tip nails, so I had to get some more because the last ones I had I was running out of my sizes because I do wear duct tip nails. So just showing you the duckies.
I have to get stuff to do it.
They're about like an extra long. If you just trim them to get the half moon, leave them that length. Or not trim them, shape them to get the half moon. These are replacement fingers for my practice hand. I got a practice hand when I went to school and I'm running out of them. So I found some more so I can continue to practice while I build up my clientele. So it's good to practice while doing nails regardless, just in general. Oh, this is brushes. It's a 10 pack. So if you see my first video, you know I have the big ones and then I have these little ones. I'm just showing you it's a 10 pack. They're doubled up. So now I have nails. I mean nails. I have brushes. Whatever you need. Can clean everything. Showing you it's a 10 pack. What is that? Oh, those are my nail nippers. So I found a 3-pack of nail nippers on there. Feel like that was a good deal because the ones I have are getting dull. But I did get some like rainbow tinted. I don't know what to call
Nicola,
that.
can you go check them
From Young
the
Nails when I
photos?
had got a Young Nails mystery box. Even though that's not what this is. This is shein.
Huh?
You're gonna hear me talking in the background until I can take that out. I don't know why I'm chopping the hair, but you know, things happen.
I don't have to do anything. But if you do good, I will think about it. What?
Okay. Lose my voice. What is that? Those look like my mini mandrel sanding bits. Oh, these are for the cuticles. So these are those round ball or not sanded hairs, round ball cuticle like drill bits, but they fell all apart. So my OCD was gonna kick in, and I put them in the correct order, all back in the right spot because that was gonna drive me crazy just having that rattle around like that when they have spots for them. So that's what I'm doing here. Don't mind my OCD. It is a 8 piece of these. So there's 2 big ones, 2 medium ones, and then 2 small ones. And I think this was like $3-4 on there. But like I said, some stuff I was able to get on a flash sale. I know I got a lot of stuff on flash sale out of my last unboxing. But you still can catch it cheap all the time. Back in chronological order. Am I gonna do the same again? It's a 240 grit if I do the sand again. Yeah, okay, so what am I doing? The mini sanding bits, because you know my last one I had bought the drill bit. So if you get this specific one, once I put my pictures up, you have to buy the bit separately because it's only the sanding band. So that's how I ended up getting a whole nother order because it didn't come with the drill bit. And it's a 240 grit. Gonna get a little up close personal. Then dropped it. Wipes, because I have wipes, but the wipes that I have, it's like cotton ones, and the cotton comes off. So I got some wipes. It's like a 500 pack, I think. It's like a brick. They're soft. They're durable. They're not like flimsy, tear through wipes. They're really good quality. See, not flimsy. And what is going to be rings? So I got some rings just for aesthetic. They have them in silver and gold. I have the silver ones. And I just got them to have some aesthetic in my videos when I'm posting or my pictures. Because, yeah, just because. Some stuff is just because. But if you can see, I have some little baby fingers. Because them rings is a pretty nice size. Just give you an example of how you can place them however you want. But it is a pack of, I have to find the package. I think it's like 10 of them in there. Or 12. It's a few. It's a few different type of rings in there.
What, can you go spread them one more time?
And these, I've never seen these before. These are some more tips, fingers for a practice hand, but they're clear. I thought that was sweet when I found them because I'm like, I've never seen any clear tips. So now I don't have to worry about trying to hide the tip because sometimes you have the brown ones and you have the white ones. That's good. All you gotta do is just fluff it and put your nail tip on. Thought that was genius. Got them. Throw it in the bag. And it is 100 piece. That's what I'm showing you. It is 100 piece of those replacement fingers. Charms. So I found a mixed variety of charms. It's like 50 of them in there. They're all different shapes, sizes. Some are like little plasticky ones, and the other ones are straight up charms, like metal back charms. Just pulled out a few of them to show you. And so far, I have not seen, anyone that is the same. So they're all different, and it's 50 of them in this piece. There was another one that they had on there. It was 100. So it'll probably be double if you got that one, or there might be 100 different little charms.
Did you shake them? Don't talk to me.
But I like those bows though. Those bows were really cute, and the crown. And they are in gold. Some of them have like a silver, but majority of them are gold. Try to get away. You see it? You see that thing? Try to get away. But no, see, look, wait though, because I forgot the most important thing. This right here is my all-time what I got it for. Like I got my Shein orders just specifically for this thing. You can't just get one thing. You go on Shein, you have to get several. So once I got this, I was like, oh, I'm gonna need all this. I need some more practice hands, but I'm gonna use both of these. I know you probably like, what the hell is it? It just waits. I need some scissors, so next time I get on Shein, I'm gonna have to give me some scissors because mine is only sharp at a little bit. And you know how when the part of it is dull, it's a hand, a silicone hand. I love this hand, and I haven't even used it yet. But it's really realistic. I don't know if the camera is gonna pick it up, but it really looks like a hand. I got it in the color caramel, I believe is the name of it. I could be wrong. When I go back to put my pictures in there, you'll see the name. But it's a very realistic hand. It's bigger than my hand. I have little baby hands. It's real silicone. They bend up, down. For $30, I found this on Shein. They have left and right, so I have the left hand. I was thinking about getting the right hand, but I don't know. We're gonna see what the left hand do. But look at that. It has knuckles. You can see the little wrinkles. I flipped you off. I'm just playing. It's soft. You flip it over, you see the palm. It looks like an actual palm. That's where you insert it into the base. See? It looks like an actual hand, y'all. Like an actual one. And now I'm showing you, it's a big hand. Because my hand is smaller than my practice hand. So it's a pretty decent size for $30. I know there are some really good ones from more high quality, high end places. But I mean, why not? And that's the stand. So it's the suction cup one. They have several. I got the suction cup one that go just directly on my little bitty desk. Like if you can see that part at the end, that's where my mannequin hand is. That's what I've been practicing on. That's the one that cranks and screws onto the table. So you push it down to suck it to your table and then push it up to release it. But this showing you how to put it on, screwing it, unscrewing it. It came with some tips, like 10, because it's only 5 fingers, so 10 is enough to do 2 sets if I do decide to use them. They were durable.
Can you go do the potatoes one more time?
I was cooking dinner, because I don't know if I'm going to be able to take my actual voice out and still do a voiceover. So I was making dinner at this time I was shooting this video. And that's the tip that came with it. A square, regular tip. It's not a full cover tip. It is one of those tips that go at the end of your finger. Like a regular
So
tip.
why you ain't did it yet?
It's curved. I think I'm gonna do some curved nails one of these days. I have to find some tips. And I was just showing you that it was durable. But that is all for my Shein nail haul. Bye, y'all.